If you're wondering how to detect malware with Tenable Nessus, you're in the right place. In this quick Tenable explanation, we'll show you step by step how to use Nessus to identify malicious software and keep your network secure. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly how to implement this powerful tool for comprehensive security scanning. Before we dive in, you can access Tenable Nessus completely free by using the link in the description below and get exclusive bonuses that will make your experience even smoother. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to know is what Tenable Nessus is. It's a vulnerability scanner designed to identify and fix security issues in your network, and it's widely used for detecting malware. Nessus scans your network for open ports, software vulnerabilities, and potential entry points that malware could exploit. It's one of the most trusted tools for finding threats before they become a serious issue. Next thing you need to do is set up your Nessus scanner. After installation, you'll create a new scan and configure it to detect malware. Make sure your scan is set to target the right systems, whether it's a server, workstation, or network. Nessus uses a variety of plugins to check for known malware signatures, misconfigurations, and other vulnerabilities. By the time your scan completes, you'll have a detailed report of any potential risks. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing, how Nessus helps with detecting malware. Nessus scans for common malware indicators such as unusual network traffic, unauthorized software installations, and system misconfigurations. It also identifies known malware families by matching signatures from its constantly updated database. By running regular scans, you'll be able to catch threats early and reduce your risk of infection. The next point is about interpreting Nessus scan results. When the scan is complete, you'll see a list of vulnerabilities and risks, including any potential malware infections. Look out for high-priority items and address them first. Nessus gives each vulnerability a score based on severity, so you can prioritize your remediation efforts and keep your network as secure as possible. Another important thing to remember is that Nessus is continually updated with new plugins. This ensures that you're always scanning for the latest threats, including new malware strains. Regular updates are essential for staying ahead of cybercriminals, so always make sure your Nessus version is up to date. Now that you understand how to detect malware with Tenable Nessus, you'll be able to run effective scans and protect your network. If you want to get started with Nessus today, remember, you can access it for free through the first link in the description. Don't miss out on the exclusive extended free trial offer. To recap, you've learned how to use Tenable Nessus to scan for malware, interpret scan results, and stay on top of the latest threats. Malware detection doesn't have to be complicated, and Nessus makes it easy to keep your system secure. And remember, when you use the link below, you'll get access to an exclusive free trial, along with additional bonuses to help you make the most out of your Nessus experience.